how to use new product launches to build WhatsApp list for your D2C e-commerce business. If you are a D2C e-commerce business owner, then don't miss this video. This is a very simple WhatsApp lead generation strategy that you must use for your business. So please don't skip the video in between. Watch it till the end. It's going to be action-packed. So without further ado, let's start the show. My name is Antony and I'm the founder of Alpha Marketer. Today we're entering episode number 24 of the Conversational Marketing Show. This is your go-to show to become a conversational marketing expert and turn those conversations into conversions. So this particular strategy is going to be super effective for unique niches like apparels or jewelry, where you are forced to launch new designs literally every week or even literally every single day. Okay, now communicating this new product launches in marketing is a challenge. Okay, now how are we going to turn this challenge into a new opportunity? Okay, we are going to do it with the help of WhatsApp. Okay, so very simple process. First step is you will create a Facebook ad. Facebook plus Instagram ad, where you have a feature called click to WhatsApp. Okay, so in this ad you will be positioning the new launch, the new designs. Okay, whether it is for jewelry or whether it is for apparel, whatever be the new design that you have, you can position that properly in the ad. It can be an image ad or it can be a video ad, and clearly mention what is the occasion. Is it a summer launch, Christmas launch, New Year launch, winter launch, whatever it is. Mention the occasion and the new collection name, and also mention the date of the launch. A date is important to create the hype. Okay, people love deadlines, people love a specific occasion for and a reason to buy. Okay, so you mention the date there, and when people see the ad on Facebook and they click on the learn more or the send message button, it opens their WhatsApp, okay, directly. Okay, so this is what is a Facebook click to WhatsApp chat ad. Now you might be wondering how to create this ad. Okay, so I have done a separate step-by-step instruction video on how to create a Facebook click to WhatsApp ad. You can check the video. The link will be in the description. Okay, now what is happening here? People are going to click on the call to action button and it opens WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, it will be a pre-filled message wherein people are expressing consent and asking you, the brand, to add them to the wait list. Okay, and let them know when the new collections are getting launched. Okay, now this is happening all automatically, and you can also give an instant automatic response acknowledging the potential customer's request, telling that they are being added to the VIP notification list and they will be informed on the launch date. So here we mentioned the launch date as March 10th. Okay, so what we can do is we can acknowledge that on March 9th, probably around 8 p.m. in the night, they will get a WhatsApp message from us giving them early access to the new collection sale. Okay, so this can be done automatically with the help of a WhatsApp chatbot. Okay, so how to create a WhatsApp chatbot? Don't worry, you don't need any coding skills to create a WhatsApp chatbot. I had done a separate video, a step-by-step instruction video on how to create a WhatsApp chatbot. You can check that video. The link will be in the description. Okay, so you've done two things. You run a Facebook ad, and now you also have a automatic chatbot response acknowledging people's people's request to join the wait list. Okay, now what happens on March 9th, okay, one day before the actual launch, we send this WhatsApp broadcast. Okay, this is what people ask for. They wanted to get notified, right? So we send a notification WhatsApp message on that said day and time. Broadcast is a super powerful feature of WhatsApp API. Okay, so here you can send a one-to-many message, which means you can upload the contact list, all the people who said that they want to get notified, and send them this message in one tap of a button. It goes to thousands of people at the same time. Okay, so you can see the message here. It clearly says that the sale is live, the discounts are on, please go and check the new products, check the products with the offers. Okay, now another important feature is this message can also have a button, a clickable button. So they click on the button, it opens your website, the landing page with the new collection and the offers if needed. Okay, and people can go ahead and buy the products. Okay, so this is how you create a WhatsApp lead list of people who are willing to buy your new collection. So here is a quick recap. Step number 1, we created a Facebook click to WhatsApp ad and it positioned the new collection and the launch date. So people click on the ad. Step number 2, they instantly open the brand's WhatsApp account on their phone number, and they send a message, a pre-filled message expressing interest to be notified on the new product launch date. Okay, when they do that, instantly we respond back with an automatic message saying that they've been added to the VIP list and they'll be notified on the launch date. Okay, that's step number 2. Step number 3, on the launch date, we send a broadcast message to all the people who signed up for the notification list. That's how you turn those WhatsApp leads into sales. Okay, when people get the WhatsApp message, they will click on the link and end up buying the product. Okay, WhatsApp is very powerful, especially when it comes to the broadcast messages, because the broadcast messages have an open rate north of 95% and the click-through rates are about 10%. Okay, this is way high than email open rates and click-through rates. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful, and please do implement this and let me know how this goes. Okay, so lastly, to do all these automations like sending instant WhatsApp response or sending a WhatsApp broadcast, you will need the help of a WhatsApp marketing software. So one such software that I am using for my business and for my clients' e-commerce projects is Wati. Okay, so Wati is a simple, easy to use, no code WhatsApp marketing software. Okay, so to do a test drive, what you can do is you can take my link.alphamarketer.in/Wati. Use this link to get a 7-day free trial. Okay, during this period you can test drive the product, and if you like the product, you can go ahead and purchase the software. Okay, full disclosure, this is an affiliate link, which means if you use this link and buy the product, I might end up getting a small commission out of it, but most importantly at no extra cost to you. So this acts as a small encouragement for me to keep creating videos like this so that I can help entrepreneurs like you grow your business with the power of WhatsApp conversational marketing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do implement this particular tactic in your business and let me know how it goes. I'll be happy to listen to your stories in the comment section. And also, if you have any questions regarding WhatsApp marketing, also feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll be reading every single comment and replying to them personally. Just in case, if you want to learn WhatsApp marketing from us and implement it for your e-commerce business, or if you are a e-commerce marketing agency, if you want to learn WhatsApp marketing and implement the same for your clients, then do check this link, alphamarketer.in/chat. Now when you go to this link, you'll be welcomed by my WhatsApp chatbot, which will guide you to the whole process as to how you can learn WhatsApp marketing from us. Okay, so one last thing, please do hit the subscribe button and the like button. It will greatly motivate me to keep creating videos like this and help entrepreneurs like you to grow your business with the power of WhatsApp marketing. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.